Hey, it's Paul with Rack Attack, and this is a comparison between the Thule Evo Fixpoint base roof rack system and the Thule Edge Fixpoint base roof rack system. Both of these systems are designed for vehicles that have factory fixed point connections, and both of these systems do require the vehicle-specific fitting kit. These fitting kits have the necessary rubber bases, metal brackets, and the fastener hardware designed for each individual vehicle. Let's take a quick look at how the feet will connect to the fit kit on these systems. Okay, now some other common features between these two systems is that you can have either the black bar or the silver bar for either system. Now, a key difference is how the bars interface with the feet. So with the Evo fixed point system, you have a bar that extends over and above the foot, giving you more carrying capacity on the crossbar. So with this particular comparison with these mock-ups, you have a full 16 inches of extra carrying capacity on the ends of the bars compared to the flush fixed point system. However, this fixed point system offers the styling, the low profile, and the shortest bar length to provide the very best possible overall aerodynamics. So, two great systems for the users looking for specific features in a roof rack system. Both of these products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. And if you have any questions or comments about either one of these systems, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.